النهاردة هنتعرف على أهم الجمل اللي هتستخدمها في الصيدليات والعيادات، بس فضلاً وليس أمراً ما تنساش تدعمنا باللايك والاشتراك في القناة.
I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I have a severe headache. I have a severe headache. Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital? I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. I need a prescription. I need a prescription. Does it hurt here? Does it hurt here? I need to check my blood pressure. I need to check my blood pressure. I need a painkiller. I need a painkiller. Do I need a prescription for this? Do I need a prescription for this? Something for a cough, please. Something for a cough, please. How many times a day? How many times a day? I have a high temperature. I have a high temperature. Does it have any side effects? Does it have any side effects? I need some bandages. I need some bandages.